How to save money on divorce in Santa Clarita. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you're getting divorced in Santa Clarita, you're probably thinking about the cost and wondering, how can I get through this without spending thousands on attorneys? The good news is, there are smart ways to save money without cutting corners. The biggest cost saver is keeping your divorce amicable. If you and your spouse can agree on the terms, like property, custody, and support, you can avoid attorneys and court appearances altogether. That alone can save you thousands of dollars. We recently helped a Santa Clarita couple who were quoted over $8,000 for a simple, uncontested divorce through a law firm. We completed their entire divorce, filing, service, disclosures, and judgment for a flat fee under $1,000. Same result, way less money. Another way to save is by getting the paperwork done right the first time. Many people try to DIY their divorce, only to have their judgment rejected multiple times, wasting time and money. At Divorce 661, we know exactly what the courts look for and make sure it's approved the first time. If you want to save money on your divorce in Santa Clarita, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll help you get it done right, quickly, affordably, and without the stress of going to court.